Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study Sejarah effectively. First, let's dive into understanding the fundamental concepts. Begin by grasping the main ideas and historical sequences presented in your textbook. It is crucial to break down larger topics into smaller, more digestible parts. This approach makes the learning process less overwhelming and helps you absorb information more efficiently. Remember to always connect new information to what you already know, building a strong foundation. Now, let's explore some active learning techniques. Try creating colorful mind maps or detailed flowcharts to visually represent historical events and their connections. This visual aid can significantly boost your memory. Additionally, summarizing each chapter in your own words forces you to process and internalize the information, rather than just memorizing. Don't forget to discuss what you've learned with others. Explaining concepts aloud helps cement them in your mind. To enhance your memory and retention, consider using flashcards for essential terms, significant dates, and prominent historical figures. This method is highly effective for quick recall. Implement spaced repetition by revisiting material at gradually longer intervals. For example, after 1 day, then 3 days, then 1 week. Furthermore, try to link historical facts to personal stories or create vivid mental images. This makes the information more engaging and easier to remember long-term. Finally, let's talk about preparing for exams. It is vital to attempt past year questions and practice papers regularly. This familiarizes you with the exam structure and common question types. After practicing, identify your weaker areas and allocate additional study time to strengthen those specific topics. Make sure to review all your notes and summaries comprehensively 1 or 2 days before the actual examination. A good night's sleep before the test is also incredibly beneficial.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.